If your hair is shedding more than it's growing, you're dealing with excessive shedding, dryness, thinning edges, or slow growth, this mask might be exactly what your hair is missing. It completely changed my hair growth, thickness, my hair retention literally doubled. The best part is you only need one main ingredient. So today I'll be showing you how I make it and exactly how I use it. So if that's what you're interested in seeing, definitely keep on watching and let's begin. To prepare this hair growth mask, the main ingredient you need is fenugreek seeds. If you don't have fenugreek seeds, you can absolutely use fenugreek powder instead. But if you're using the seeds like I did, the first step is to soak them overnight. So I measured about 1/8 cup and just doubled that. Fenugreek seeds are naturally very hard, so soaking does two important things. One, it softens them for easier blending. Two, it activates and releases their nutrients and that natural slippery gel they contain. So if you're using the powder, you don't need to soak it overnight. Just mix it directly with any ingredient you want and make into a smooth paste. By the next morning, you will notice the seeds have swollen and the water feels slightly slimy. That's exactly what you want. So next we'll be adding aloe vera to this. This is optional but highly recommended. When using fenugreek, the key is adding something moisturizing to balance the strengthening effect of the fenugreek. So aloe vera is incredibly moisturizing. Fenugreek on its own can feel slightly strengthening or firm on the hair. It contains plant protein, so pairing it with aloe vera or a conditioner keeps the hair soft, hydrated and elastic instead of stiff. So the balance is what makes this mask powerful. I used fresh aloe vera gel, but if you don't have fresh aloe vera, you can use store-bought pure aloe vera gel or substitute with aloe vera juice or even add your favorite moisturizing deep conditioner instead. I blended the soaked seeds with aloe vera gel. After blending, there will be lots of particles, so you want to strain it properly. If you don't strain it well, you end up with fenugreek residue on your hair. So straining gives you a smooth creamy mask that is easy to rinse out. So just in case you're making use of store-bought pure aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice, this is the perfect time to add it in. So after blending and straining, or if you want to make use of your moisturizing deep conditioner, this is when to add that in. Adding a moisturizing agent helps increase sleeps, improve hydration, boost elasticity and prevents protein overload. So I added a little bit of jojoba oil to that. You don't need a lot, just enough to lightly enrich the mask. For application, always apply this mask on clean hair. This is the current state of my hair, so I went in to shampoo first and then rinse that out before applying the mask. So working on a clean hair is crucial because product buildup blocks penetration. So if your scalp is dirty, the nutrients won't absorb properly. So after shampooing, I section my hair. After detangling, I moved on to application. I applied generously from root to end, making sure I work the gel in with my fingers to coat my entire strand. So you also want to focus on your scalp if you're like targeting shedding, and make sure you properly work that in as well. So after application, I detangled gently. So this mask has great sleep, so detangle was a breeze. And after working on that section, I twist and clip that out of the way and move on to the next. So let's talk about some of the benefits of fenugreek to the hair. Fenugreek is rich in plant protein, iron, nicotinic acid and lecithin. This nutrient helps reduce shedding by strengthening the hair shaft. It improves thickness over time. It boosts circulation when massaged into the scalp. It hydrates dry, brittle strands. It improves shine. It helps with dandruff and it supports stronger roots. And as you can see as well, that this is also great for definition as well, because immediately I applied this mask to my strands, my coils were instantly activated. So if you're dealing with damaged hair, this mask will help restore or reset your coil pattern over time. This mask is also recommended if you're dealing with excessive shedding, if you're experiencing thinning edges, dry, brittle hair, or weak strands, breakage, and also slow growth. So this fenugreek mask is suitable for all hair types: natural hair, relaxed hair, colored treated hair, if your hair is not protein sensitive. So after application, you want to cover with a shower cap and leave it for about 30 minutes minimum to 40 minutes. You can also use like a steamer or a heat cap. Heat helps the cuticle open slightly and absorb better. It is important to keep in mind that if you're sitting like under a steamer or using a heat cap, 20 to 30 minutes is enough. Heat speeds up absorption, so you don't need as long. And if you have protein sensitive hair, fenugreek contains plant proteins. So if your hair feels hard easily, gets stiff after protein treatment, or is low porosity, you want to stick to 20 to 30 minutes max. And always mix it with aloe vera or a moisturizing conditioner like I did to prevent stiffness. So guys, after applying this mask, during detangling, I noticed a significant reduction in shedding. The amount of hair I usually see in the shower was noticeably less. Reduced shedding in the shower and stronger strands are one of the first visible results you will experience with this mask. With consistent use, you also notice fuller appearance, better length retention, softer but stronger hair. So how often do you use this mask? You can use this mask every 2 weeks. You do not want to overuse it. So if your hair is protein sensitive and your hair feels hard after using it, you want to space it out. After letting it sit, you want to go ahead and rinse out the mask. Make sure you properly rinse it out because you don't want any residue on your hair, and then follow up with your conditioner and continue with the rest of your wash routine and then style as usual. So growth doesn't just come from product, it comes from reducing breakage, and this mask supports that. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Let me know if you use fenugreek or will try this out, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.